Hello, my name is Michael Ribaudo. I'm a senior in the AIM program covering domestic consumer staples, and today I will be pitching Camping World Holdings Incorporated, ticker CWH. Camping World has a price target of $50.03, resulting in a 29.07% upside. Camping World Holdings is the largest retailer of recreational vehicles and related products and services in the United States. The company operates through the following segments: Good Sam Services and Plans, 3.32% of revenue, and RV and Outdoor Retail, 96.68%. The Good Sam Services and Plans segment consists of programs, plans, and services that assist in protecting, insuring, financing, and promoting RV lifestyle. The RV and Outdoor Retail segment consists of the sale of new and used RVs, RV service and maintenance work, parts and accessories, outdoor products, and equipment and gear. The company was founded in 1966 and is headquartered in Lincolnshire, Illinois. Camping World is a major player within the fragmented industry and serves over 5 million customers with 176 RV dealerships and 11 RV service and retail centers nationwide. As a part of Camping World, the Good Sam Services and Plans segment offers service contracts, vehicle roadside assistance, insurance, travel protection, travel planning, and consumer shows and publications to over 2.2 million active members. The COVID pandemic has led people to rethink their vacations and has increased the demand for RVs and campers, which is related to the surge in national park visits. Throughout the pandemic, millennials and recently retired baby boomers have shifted to outdoor hobbies like camping, biking, hiking, and fishing. Being the largest player in the RV market, Camping World continues to project constant sales growth due to their ability to access inventory to meet demand by setting higher prices and opening new demographic markets as demand continues throughout and beyond the pandemic. Because of favorable growth and increased profitability, it is recommended that Camping World be added to the AIM Small Cap Fund with a price target of $50.03, representing an upside of 29.07%. Moving to driver 1, size and scale. Camping World secures more inventory and negotiates better supplier terms than its competitors. Camping World's margins achieved an all-time high in Q2 2021 at 28.4%, which is a 120 bips increase from the same period the year before. Camping World has also invested in its used vehicle inventory as a proactive measure. In the previous quarter, used vehicle inventory increased 77% year over year, and the average selling price of new RVs rose by more than 22%, and the average selling price for used vehicles increased nearly 36%. Future margins are expected to land somewhere between pre-pandemic margins and pandemic high margins. Driver 2, continued market expansion. The COVID-19 pandemic has accelerated demand for RV products to all-time highs. The major driving force in this demand is related to the increase of interest in the RV market of millennials. These owners now make up roughly 22% of the RV market, and RV rentals from millennials spiked 70% during the pandemic. Another important target market for Camping World is the recently retired population. These baby boomers have turned to outdoor activities as they seek to engage in physical activities like cycling, camping, and hiking. RV manufacturers have added new technology and innovation to their vehicles, which is driving new RV buyer interest. Currently, RV demand is outpacing supply, and management believes that the market has the capacity to deliver 1 million RV units annually, which is double the current production output. Driver 3, Good Sam and RV sharing. The Good Sam segment is non-cyclical and operates at an impressive 60% gross margin. Good Sam customers increased by 7.2% year over year, and the firm is launching a peer-to-peer RV rental marketplace in September 2021. This marketplace will connect owners and renters who seek to experience the RV lifestyle. Within a few weeks of the soft launch in July, and without any substantial marketing efforts, 1,700 RVs were listed for rent. Camping World intends to charge both renter and rentee lower fees than the competition. Camping World has the ability to do so because of their Good Sam brand that covers insurance, roadside assistance, trip planning, booking systems, and Good Sam parks. Camping World has a competitive advantage to this space due to their favorable brand recognition and their dealerships to market this peer-to-peer RV renting platform. Valuation. To reach an intrinsic value for Camping World, a 5-year DCF model was created, using a terminal growth rate of 1.5% and a WACC of 9.41%. An intrinsic value of 52.83 was reached. A sensitivity analysis of the terminal growth rate and WACC of plus or minus 50 beeps ranged from 48.33 to 58.67. Additionally, a PE multiple valuation was calculated using a weighted average peer multiple of 9.37, resulting in a relative value of 47.57. Finally, an EV to EBITDA multiple valuation was calculated using a weighted peer average of 7.02, resulting in a relative value of $35.35. By weighing these models 70, 20, 10, a price target of $50.03 was reached, representing a 29.07% upside. Camping World pays a dividend that is yielding 2.73%. Moving on to the risk section. The first risk is COVID-19. Some of Camping World's vendors have experienced production slowdowns due to disruptions in logistics, labor shortages, and temporary shutdowns of manufacturing facilities. The pandemic effect may result in a drop-off of RV interest as global travel reopens post-pandemic. The second risk is higher input costs. Higher tariffs on steel and aluminum could result in higher input costs, which either result in lower margins if not passed on through price increases, or result in pricing pressure to increase product price. This can negatively impact top and bottom line performance. The third risk is cyclicity. Due to the discretionary nature of the RV industry, Camping World can be significantly impacted from economic downturns or higher prices. Consumer discretionary spending, as hints of inflation loom, can have a negative impact on RV sales. Marcus Anthony Lemonis, who is a graduate from Marquette University, is the chairman and CEO of Camping World Holdings Incorporated since 2016. Mr. Lemonis founded Simple Greek LLC and Freedom Roads LLC and has been at the helm of 12 different companies. Brent L. Moody is president and director at Camping World Holdings. Previously, Mr. Moody was the president of CWGS Enterprises LLC and the executive vice president of Freedom Roads LLC. Camping World Holdings is the largest retailer of RVs and related products and services in the United States. The size of the business and the continued demand for RVs will benefit Camping World in the future. Camping World is actively adapting to consumer wants and needs and actively growing through a peer-to-peer marketplace and various retail segments. It is recommended that Camping World be added to the AIM Small Cap Fund with a price target of $50.03, representing an upside of 29.07%. My email is at the bottom of the screen if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you.